communicate with research. This is another very interesting story. People sponsor search in the Google, and the Google earned 50 billion revenue per year from marketing because of the data science. And then 97% of the company revenue is from the data science. For example, different people sponsor, there are different kinds of the products to the Google, and they use the AdWords. In this way, there are around 30 billion searches requests a month on the Google. And I think perhaps a trillion events of history between search providers. But they are also helpful in giving the huge revenue to the Google. There are other data science applications. For example, we have some higher level. If you go in computer science, we have transaction databases, we have wireless sensor data, we have social media text data, software loggers, and many other types of higher level data, which is a part of technology and computer science. So there are people who are there are another thing called big data. When we talk of petabyte or higher level data, these are big data sources. For example, Internet of Things in health and scientific computing, and in general web, mobile technology, they have huge number of data. So they are also called big data. And big data is the oil of this new economic forum of the 2011. In 2011, they mentioned that the really data is the economic forum of the world. And nowadays, few companies using the data, Amazon.web service, Cloudera, Google, Hitachi, IBM, Oracle, and Icetrmdd. And these are the one by one creating huge business over the global basis. If you talk of big data, there are 5 properties of big data: raw data, change of data, data type, and I'm not going to detail because of time constraint here. And finally, would say there are few figures. I given the definition of what is the data science visual definition, and you combine these things, you can get new definition of data science. And also, you can use data in physical modeling, sensing, data dissemination, in metrology and transportation. There are many other applications of the data science. Now, data science example, nowadays you use Google spell check and translation. This is the example of data science. Amazon.com recommendation engine. Saturated fat is not bad for you after all. If you say this in go detail, this is nothing, this is data science. Microsoft predictive analysis for traffic from 2005 means you can analyze traffic, and this is also part of the. So this is another story. Because of time, I'm not going to discuss traffic prediction you can make. And there are in computer science called scripting languages. Scripting language like the base, Perl, Python, MATLAB, through which you can describe the data, you can use the data, and you can make the model of the data. And then again, there are few software for creating tools, and data are used in many science contexts: science, business, curation, government, and medicine. Nowadays, use and control data science and data in society, data models in organizations, data types and storage, data resources, data analytics tool, and data curation and management. And this is again, I am here more important, machine learning, as I mentioned you, so I am not discussing in detail. Machine learning means your knowledge is being learned by the machine. Machine understands you, and therefore machine creates a model for you. And this is why we want to understand the machine, because we are living in information society. We are living different kinds of the world head, and so we need the machine learning. Again, some few things are there. Now I will discuss briefly. Nowadays, top data science engine is the Amazon.com. Everybody knows about that. Amazon.com has very, very interesting data reusing and data application across the globe. And they have very reliable services. They create a very good website, and they are having very good data business model around the globe. So this lecture with you can see. And finally, I say, we combined all the things, data, and we can make a life of a glory, because we are living in a world of data science. It is better to establish a real-time data business center at your organization. I would advise you to establish a data science. Recently, I was involved in setting the data center excellence in many universities in India and abroad using the data semiconductor complex and also the IBM company. So you can establish a center of excellence in data, and of course, you can provide benefit to your organization. And finally, my data are finished. So I would say thanks for everyone. If any questions, I am ready here.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you. Yeah. Hello. Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. Gaurav Das for vote of
Thank
thanks.
you. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Sir, I have one question. Sir, myself, Gaurav Kumar. I am audible, sir? Hello. Sir, I am audible. Hello. Hello. Okay, sir. On behalf of Sridhar University, myself, Gaurav Kumar Das, would like to thank you for this great insight about data science. Sir, I have one question for you. Do I am audible? Yeah.
हेलो 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 उन्हें भेजो मैं स्पीकर साउंड डालना भेजो जल्दी LT1 में हाँ जल्दी हेलो 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 हेलो
Hello. Sir, I am audible. Om, sir, I am audible to you. चलेगा sir. Okay. On behalf of Sridhar University, myself Gaurav Kumar Das, I would like to thank all the participants for being here and seeing the knowledgeable guest about data science. Thank you very much. अभी कोई और भी सेशन है क्या? ये ऑनलाइन है? ये ऑनलाइन है क्या?
Thank you so much, sir. Now our next speaker is Dr. Varkamoi Steri. She is an associate professor at the Faculty of Applied Arts, Department of Social Sciences, King Mok's University of Technology, North Bangkok, Thailand. She has 15 years of academic and research experience. She has made significant contributions to the field of business administration, sustainability, and human resource management. Ma'am, you can start your session now. Ma'am, your mic is off. Please turn on your mic. Ma'am, I am audible to you. पहले आ नहीं रही थी, अब इसमें जा नहीं रही। हेलो, क्या आ रही है? हाँ पवन जी, हाँ LT1 में। हम्म। किसकी? यहाँ पे कोई है ही नहीं। नहीं, बच्चे नहीं।
Hello? Okay. Okay, thank you. Finally, thank you for turn microphone on for me. Okay, thank you everyone. Uh, I'm really appreciate and very honored to be here today for present my yeah. Okay, so let's start with my everyone can hear me and see me well, right? Okay, just a moment. Oh, stop sharing. I do presentation. Where is my? Just a moment. I need to open my because nowadays it's quite. I'm very not useful to about the online because it's quite long already that we part from the COVID-19, right? So actually, I'm very honored to be here at this moment. I will turn on my how to say my presentation, but by the way, I need to where's my presentation? Just a moment. This one Google? No. Entire the screen share. Okay. Why it doesn't have Chrome tab? Why I cannot share my PowerPoint? Just moment. Okay, I got it. Just moment. Because my computer is quite slow right now. Okay. Neat. Okay. No. Okay. Why? No. Can you see my PowerPoint?
हेलो,
Can you see my PowerPoint? application cannot allow me to present my PowerPoint. Hmm. I cannot share my PowerPoint with you. I don't know why. Just only my screenshot, but no, I cannot share PowerPoint. I don't have a
Ma'am, I am audible.
bottle to share. No one around me to share my PowerPoint. Just moment. I don't know why.
Hello, ma'am, I am audible to you.
Yes, but
Ma'am, if you are not able to present your screen,
uh-huh.
hello, ma'am, I am audible to you.
Mm-hmm. Can you share for me, please? Huh?
Share a screen on a window, not entire screen.
Window.
Yeah. You get click on share screen, share button.
Which one? Okay.
Window, no click on window.
Not window. Yes, click on presentation.
Just share on.
Okay.
Present now you present. Yes, ma'am.
Now you can share the screen.
No, oh, but
Okay, ma'am.
Madam, I am audible to you. Please
yes,
share,
but I cannot check my window.
entire screen. Please share window only.
Window only. Just
Window.
moment.
And ma'am, if you are not able to present the screen,
Uh-huh.
please speak directly.
Okay. Just moment. Okay. Yeah.
Just
Where's my desktop?
just 1 minute, ma'am. We are
Mm-hmm.
we are helping you to present the screen. Just wait.
Yes. Okay. Hmm.
Hello.
Hi.
Ma'am, you close your tab. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, wait. Uh, Oh, एक second, 1 second, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now. Okay.
1 second, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, it's work now.
Okay, fine. Sit, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Share.
Okay, ma'am. You can start.
Okay. PowerPoint is okay. Share.
Ma'am, you can start now.
Okay, just a moment. I don't know how. Okay, how to 100. Okay. Okay, now today I would like to share about my knowledge about human capital in 21st century. This topic is uh, I gonna talk about the what we need, what do our students or even the teachers also need for human capital in 21st century, what the skills that really needs and really important. For example, nowadays we have uh, a lot of things to face to and a lot of things to concerns about our resource, our global warming, right? So actually, in every organization should to concern about the way how to fix with uh, this this situation because our global it changes day by day. So actually everything is changed nowadays. For example, in Thailand last week we just faced two earthquakes. It's really bad. And thank you for the Modi, your president's also concerns with our situation in Thailand for earthquake. They just give about very good compliment and give for like about supplier to help Thailand in Bangkok, right? Everyone die and yeah, not everyone, sorry, a lot of people die. And in my case, luckily I don't have any bad situation because in Thailand it's not the origin because origin earthquake is from Burma, right? So pity sad for them. Yeah, and I really sorry for them a lot. But for me, in my case, my condominium, I need to fix it because it's just crack. Yeah, so it's that. Um, still sad until now. Okay. Anyway, so that's why I just want to talk about the every organization or everyone nowadays should to concerns about the skill or anything. For example, in my case, I teach uh, about the theory of reskill and upskill is design thinking in 21st centuries. So actually, design thinking we just concerned about the marketing or about the human center, right? So actually, we just think about how to develop the products or the service to customer as much as we can. So that's why we need to adopt or adjust any skill for our staff or our students to improve themselves. Yeah. So that's why today my topic is about human capital in 21st century. So, okay, how to, okay. Okay. So this is the main point for like the students or employer in every organization need to concerns about fun and motivation because for the psychology theory we just think about the people can produce or products and then outcome is very productivity from inside of employee or employer. They don't, in everyone in organization, they need to be happy, fun, and motivations. So in a work environment that encourage fun, employees have, okay, this thing we need to build our employees, every staff in organization or in workplace, they need to have a lot of energy, greater self-esteem, interest for their work, team spirit, sustainable motivations, positive attitudes. So we need to learn about what is lots of energy. Lots of energy in psychology or in my main point is mean, oh, when you just wake up in one day, you need to realize, oh, I want to go to work. I want to go to work and see your, see my co-worker. I want to work at X hours in every day. I want to improve myself in every day. This one is me lots of energy, right? So actually, if any organization they have a staff that really lot of energy, it means they will concerns their job a lot. So is that good for any organization, right? Yeah, it's good for both sides, for staffs, and also it's good for the hire or the owner of company. Yes. So that's why lots of energy is good for everyone. So properly, they need to concern how to build themselves to be lots of energy first. For me, I just like concerned about my bill end of the month. I need to pay a lot of bills, so that's why when I go to work, I have a lot of energy to do everything. Like I did not do a job just day by day, but I just see about the future and just follow about my progress every day or so. So next is the getter self-esteem. What does that mean for this term of psychology for the getter self-esteem? Getter self-esteem is mean you need to self-confident, right? A lot of Thai people we don't have a self-confident much, and nowadays I, as a teacher, I also build my students to be self-esteem, and also at the same time, they need to respect each other and also humble to everyone. Yeah, so self-esteem is very, very important in any organization because when you face to the other person, you need to confident, right? So it's the same thing. If in every organization have the self-esteem employees, so it means that employees are really work on and fix with the organization. So in the future, organization will be success for sure, right? So this one is the second thing for the how to make the person to be motivation. And the next one is interest for their job. What if their job? They just concerned about their role and job description that the first day we select or we just hire any employee to like the include like the recruit, right? So they need to concern about their work or don't concern about the other thing. Maybe can concern about the other thing, but only 20%, but not 80%, 50%. They should be concerned about only their job, right? So the next thing is very good for work environment and encourage one's employee need to have team spirit. What is the team spirit? Team spirit in Buddhist in Thailand, we just love and share, just share everything that you know to your team, with your employee, with your boss. If the boss can understand you, but sometimes the boss they just very have ego, right? So just don't. Sometimes he or she did not want your voice, want to know how you feel, how you really want to motivate or really develop organization. So maybe you just share with your team. It's just better way, right? Yeah. So team spirit is mean if some, for example, for myself, I have lots of things to do because I'm the one who really leader in organization. So I always share with my previous job to my team. And if my friend, she just come, just get into my company, my yeah, yeah. So I just share everything to them also. I did not just like, oh, this is my work experience, and I just keep it in myself. No, I did not do that. I always share with others, and I also push my team to go together with the successful in the future. Okay, and the next one is like sustainable motivations. Sustainable motivation. I think everyone know this one, right? Because in every organization nowadays is very concerned about sustainable. What is sustainable? Sustainable, we can easy to remember like do less, get more. If you just read a lot of book in the markets right now, or just in the any Google or any web page, they're just concerned about the green, right? Green and sustainable is mean like do less get more or ikigai. You just don't hire a lot of people, but you just hire a little bit. And for example, very easy for sustainable motivation, you just share a lot of text that you just really know is very well, or we can call it coaching, right? Coaching, yeah, coaching in every organization is like very important, yeah. So the last thing is very important also for employees is like positive attitude. What is positive attitude? Positive attitude is mean you need to think like the better way. Don't think everyone is like looking at me. I want to kill them. We have the competitive all the time. Is that bad for your health, right? And your mindset. So when you have a bad energy, so other people in your organization or even your family, your friends, they don't like it to get a bad energy from you, right? So positive attitude is quite important because if you have positive attitude, you always smile. People will love you and will come to talk with you. It's really good for marketing, right? Marketing, and for good manager should have be like the positive attitudes also because in any organization it's like they just like have the serious environments or curious environment all the time, so it mean, oh my gosh, I don't want to work with that any organization, same thing. So this one positive thinking is the one of the main reason in um, usually and the main concept in the design thinking, yeah, for this topic. Okay, I will moving on to the next uh, slide. This slide will talk about career, the path of employees men. Oh, sorry, employee performance properly what if you are really want to work in any organization, everyone needs to concern about the first topic is thinking in the term of the system. Maybe it's like OB, right? Organization behavior. Everyone to concern about the culture of organization, like what the system is like globalization or just very Thai style, very India style, right? So we have different uh, culture, different style. So that's why we need to think about the system, think about the term of any organization that we need to coordination. Sometimes you cannot work by yourself, right? You need to contact with others companies all the time. So that's why you need to think in the terms of the system that you cooperate with, right? Yeah, and the second one, think about consequences of small decisions. What's that mean? Big consequences of small decision. Yeah, what is small? This decision is mean like, oh, can you things? Have you ever think about the parcels when you wash them? Is big consequence of the small decision is mean you need to concern and you need to understand what other employees in organization or in other department they really need to or they are really need to uh, some of some of important thing that the person who really need to for yeah that's why we just call it small decision because employees different persons so that's why we need to think about big consequence and small decisions. So the next one, topic 3 is about the human side of operations. This one is similar with the topic 1, similar, but it's not the same, right? Because human side of operations, they have different kind of person in this world. We have like for example, myself, I'm very introvert person, but some of people they might be like a very extrovert person. So if you are a leader, how you can mix the introvert person and extrovert person to work together in the same team. Yeah, that's why it's like very important, right, for human side of the operations. And the next one, developing insight in your business system. Yeah, it's like it means you need to understand about employee skill or their skill or any um, like the pain point of your employees or the best point of your employee. So if you know about their pain points, so you can develop your employee to get improved every day, right? Maybe it cannot success in one day, but of course, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or maybe 1 year is possible, right? To improve your employee to be like a very good performance or good outcomes in the future. Yeah, so this one, develop insight is mean should be follow up every is in organization. Yeah. And number 5 is adapting to the system. Yeah. If from frankly talk, for me, like it's quite hard for me to adapt myself to every organization. I always resign and finding a new job all the time because it's like sometimes the system is not fit for me. And I cannot adapt to the all the system in every organizations, right? So I need to find a new job. Yeah, it's like it's like it should be like that, right? Yeah. So it's that's why I say we need to have the coaching. We need to have the someone who have really um 10-year experience or more than 10-year experience to teach and have a spirit to teach the new staff in any organization also. That's why I say it's like adapting to the system is very important, but it depends on the employees that the first day we include also. Sometimes we have no idea. We just choose the right, right? And the main concept of human resource management is my major, right? So it's like put the right man on the right job at the right time in the right place. So sometimes we cannot tell at the first day. That's why we have probation for the 4 months. Yeah, to like to know each other that any employee, the new staff that we just accept, they can adapt with the system or not, right? If they cannot adapt with the system or with the organization, so we can have we can hire a new ones. Don't waste don't waste the time because time is very important in every. So number 6 is like changing the system. Changing the system is mean you need to update about the software, right? And about any knowledge. In my field, I'm in education and marketing field, so I need to learn every day. I'm such a busy person also because I learn a lot every day because marketing I need to update day by day. Yeah, so that's why changing the system is mean in organization, in any organization, especially if you are in the IT, like the data or something like that. So you need to concerns about new program or new updates, and you need to have a lot of training for employees all the time, right? Yeah, this one is the changing system. And number 7, continue at being proactive. What does that mean? Continue being proactive. It means you need to have the active all the time point. You need to know other. You need to do customer what they need, what they want. It means empathy with other persons. Yeah, empathy and sympathy. Yeah. And the next number 8 is caring for the system. Caring for the system means you need to concern not only yourself, with your team, your leader, or with your customers, what they need. Yeah, same, right? Caring and proactive. Proactive is mean continue to keep going, to like the keep in touch with your customer for uh, very okay, like the very important occasion, you need to keep contact with them. It's like after that you will get very good outcome at the end because they will remind you like, oh, this company always send me a gift or something like that. Yeah, it's like the for memorization. Sometimes it's very important in Thailand. I think in everyone because this is like the psychology, right? Okay. The next one, the number nine is employees know their side of the wall. Employee need to, of course, in every organization, employees just want to have a lot of bonus, a lot of money, end of the years, or something like that, right? So, but anyway, employee need to concern about the other also, and we just like need to think side by side. If I were a boss, how I will teach the employee. For example, if I were a boss, how I can teach a employee. If I were a workers, what should I teach the boss, like what something like that. This one is me like the pride for wall thing in the positive thing, uh, need to concern with the other persons. All of these things from number one to number 10 is mean like you need, in conclusion, my conclusion, I want to conclude about this topic number 1 to number 10 is like you need to concern about the other persons. It means empathy and sympathy with your coworker, with your boss, with your under and uppers all the time, not only yourself. Okay. And okay, so I want to moving for like the inspiring, motivators, um, teamwork. What is carry on or inspiration or inspiring motivators teamwork? The first one, the human side of teamwork, right? Empathy, sympathy, just remembers to only two of these terms. The first term is sympathy. The second term is empathy, concern, not only yourself, but with others. And the second one, carry, carrings, makes a difference. Yeah, so just do everything the new ways or just change yourself to the new way very important, right? Just try the new solution to get maybe if you try a new solution, new method, so after that you will get new results, right? So this one is mean carry makes a difference. And the next one is lead them from the heart. Yeah, of course. If you want to do something, so you need to do everything by your heart, right? If you don't have heart to work with an organization, so just resign. Don't waste your time. If you just think any organization don't really love you or that really fix you or something like that, yeah, so just do everything by your heart, right? Yeah. And number four, motivation, leadership, and affairs of the heart. Yeah, just that's why we have outing, we have training, we need to brainstorming to our team, we have meeting in more Monday morning every week to consult together, right? So we can know what is issue, what but sometimes we don't have issue, but we just like caring about our team, how their life is going or something like that. Okay, and the next one, you must have fire in your belly. It means you need to look up or look down sometime. Not look down. need to concerns about your lower staff. Yeah, because sometimes the lower staff they just have really um different attention from the middle management or top management, right? And the last one is team building. What's love got to do with what is the team building? Team building is mean we need to build everyone to be like the team building is mean we need to motivate our team to have more powerful to fight with the work or with the others organization. Yeah, so that's why we need team building in every organization and in every years, right? Yeah. So this is the sixth thing that we concern about how employees show they are committed to each other. Yeah. And I will moving to about employees development of challenge. What we need to concern, we need to progress training and needs be boss based and flexible. Learning is intentional. Don't reply and the tế tử to make learning effect get it to them just in time, do everything in time, right? Yes. Customize statement. Hide the most appropriate partners. Have you employees develop action plans? Includes experiential learning. Yeah, it means you need to find a new solution or new mentors in organization all the time to find the best solution for the best outcome. Okay, and I want to just tell you about the 10 C of qualities. Just know about the meaning. That's all. Because if you want to study or you just really know about these 10 term for emphasize of the 10 term of the quality, maybe we need a time for 2 or 3 days, right? So it should be first one
Ma'am, I am
capability, confidence, challenge, criteria, credibility, conquest, competitive spirit, communication, cost of opportunity, compensation, consistency. Yeah, this one is 10C, okay? And moving to how to getting the job done, it should be planned the entire project. Schedule, schedule your time, keep track of your progress, store information, keep
ma'am, I am
you up to potential crisis, provide for the backup plans if problems is arrive, communication your progress and results to important actors, customers, bosses, co-workers. Okay. And final, at the end, I want to let your guy know about the main factors affects a person's performance, including the first one, knowledge, skill, motivation, environment, right? Okay. Oh, okay, for my point. And if anyone want this PowerPoint session, just let me know. I will send you later because this is my parts of full PowerPoint. I have full PowerPoint for my topic. We need to talk about AMD more than 2 or 3 hours. So in my summary as of this, my topic today is we need to empathy to other person, see their world, appears them as human being, understand their feelings, communicate your understanding. That's all for me today. And thank you so much for your guys, for your attention and your time. And hope to see you guys. See you when I see you. Okay. Thank you so much for today. This is uh-huh.
Thank you so much for your valuable session. Am I audible
Mhm.
to you? Ma'am, I am audible to you.
Uh-huh. I want to stop my presentation.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Sure, ma'am.
Say bye bye. Thank you so much. 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 Say bye bye.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for this presentation.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, ma'am. नेक्स्ट मुनमुन लहरी आई हुई है ना, आवाज जाएगी क्या इनके पास? मुनमुन मैम, आवाज आ रही है आपके पास? थैंक यू मैडम. So our next speaker is Dr. Munmun Lahiri. She is an assistant professor with over 16 years of experience in academia, research, and corporate domains. She holds multiple qualifications, including PGD, JMC, MPhil, MCom, MBA, and PhD, and has specialized expertise in people's management, talent management, gender diversity, inclusion, organizational behavior, business communication, and soft skills. So now she will present her session. Over to you, ma'am. Dr. Munmun Lahiri, please present your session. Ma'am, your mic is off. Please put on your mic.
Yeah, am I audible properly?
Please start your session.
Am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay, so I believe that I'm visible as well as I'm audible.